Hey guys, this is Chris again, coming at you with another review. Today is the first of the year. I hope everybody had a safe holiday, Happy New Year's, all that. Your quick wristwatch check. Wearing that ocean crawler, core diver. But on today's unboxing is a Ernst Benz. This is another one that my AD was kind enough to send me in for review on the watch. Now, I believe Ernst Benz is kind of one of those they're a more obscure brand. I think you probably heard of them or you haven't. But I think they're pretty cool. These are definitely kind of unique pieces. Their whole lineup is kind of unique. This watch right here is called the 18th Parallel, the Parchment. As you can see, it's got that parchment style paper on the dial. Kind of like a pirate's map almost. This highlights the 18th parallel and the discovery of the Caribbean islands and Western civilization. Well, not Western civilization, but the Western hemisphere. So I think that's kind of a cool, unique kind of dial. This is going to be kind of like the Gorilla watch. I think it's going to be either kind of like a love it or hate it piece. It's definitely unique and interesting. Comes in pretty decent size. It's 47 millimeters. It's got 24 millimeter lugs, but it actually doesn't wear that big because the lug to lug's not that big. And as you can see, this is a retail price of right under $3,700. It's got the alligator style brown strap. It's got the black, almost enamel, almost like painted on numbers, which I think is kind of cool. And on the hands, the minute hand, the hour hand, the second hand, kind of cool. Of course, you can't see the date windows right here at the 3 o'clock. You got the crown here at the 3 o'clock. Now, this watch is not really water resistant. It's only to 5 atmospheres, which is 160 feet. So, I mean, you can get this wet if you're out in the rain or you're at, maybe washing your hands or something like that. But I definitely wouldn't take it swimming. And there's a shot of the case back. It has that ETA 2836-2 movement, which is a top grade ETA movement. And it has a sealed O-ring crown right here at 3 o'clock, so that's cool. Like I said, it's definitely a love it or hate it piece. I kind of find it pretty interesting. I'll do a wrist shot here in a minute. Like I said, it's got that parchment paper dial, which is almost kind of reminds me of like a pirate's, like a treasure map in a way. See the Ernst Benz right here on the dial. Like I said, this is on the 18th parallel on the map, Caribbeans and all that. You know, back in the day when the pirates were exploring those areas. Pretty cool backstory on it with the piracy and everything else from, back in the day. Kind of a cool history. Get another shot close up of that dial there. As you can see, the 18 is where the 8 o'clock would be, hence the name 18th parallel. That's kind of a cool little additional touch there, in case you're wondering why there's an 18 there instead of an 8. Let me do a quick wristwatch check. But again, this is definitely a kind of a polarizing piece. You see, it doesn't really wear that big because the lug's not that big. About 7.5 inch wrist, even 47 millimeters. Now they have a black version that's 44 millimeters with a black dial. So if you're interested in that, you can call them up and ask them about that too. If you think the 47 might be a little bit too big, like I said, I mean, you see it doesn't really wear that big. But overall, I definitely recommend this watch. This watch is a pretty cool, pretty unique watch. If you're looking for another kind of wild card watch, something interesting with a little bit of a story behind it, I think that's pretty cool. Like I said, with the story between them finding the Caribbeans and everything like that. Something kind of unique you don't see every day. Alright guys, this has been Chris. I'll leave a link down there in the description of the AD where you can get this. Contact Ross and his crew as always. Tell them I sent you. They'll be able to work with you if you're interested in the watch. Like I said, I'll leave a link down there. Alright guys, it's been Chris with the Ernst Benz 18th Parallel review. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, peace guys.